I want to show you another unique thing. As you can see, look at this pine tree, look at their height. We are at a beautiful spot which is full of lovely pines. And see this. This is the technology by which they extract the resin of pine, पाइन का जो फिरोजा या जो भी बोलते हैं, ये इन्होंने कप्स लगाए हुए हैं एंड इट कीप्स ऑन फॉलोइंग ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप इन दिस. It's very sticky, like glue, So this is used in a lot of medicines also. And it is actually, the जो varnish जो है वो इसी का बाई प्रोडक्ट है. See how these cups have been placed here. Virtually every tree, and this is legal. This is official. They are auctioned by the government, and then the contractor is allowed to extract it. And they smell so nice. Such beautiful smell. And what a wonderful, we just did some off-roading, and from the road we came this side. Oh, of course, the Gadi is parked quite far off. Lovely. Amazing place. That's why I tell everyone कि बाहर सिर्फ स्टेटस सिंबल के लिए बाहर जाने से पहले कि हम जी बैंकॉक गए, हम दुबई गए, हम यूरोप गए, हम यहाँ गए, हम वहाँ गए. अरे भैया जाइए, वहाँ भी जाइए. But look at our own country. And the best way to explore our country is that the moment you Google, say, for example, 5 most famous tourist spots of Himachal. So obviously you will get all that, Shimla, Kullu, Dalhousie. So first thing you should do is knock them off. Just cut them off from your this thing. Yeah, there you can see the vehicle. Rosie wanted to have a nap, so she's just taking a nap and I'm just moving around, So सबसे पहले तो उन बड़े बड़े शहरों को, उन बड़ी बड़ी जगहों को अपनी लिस्ट में से निकाल दीजिए जहाँ पे ना तो आपको पार्किंग मिलेगी, ड्राइविंग विल बी अ रियल पेन, Choose a place which is slightly offbeat, which is smaller, less crowded, गाड़ियाँ कम हो जहाँ पे, लोग कम हो और ऐसे ओपन स्पेसेस हो, ऐसी जगह को चुनिए और फिर वहाँ पे घूमने का I'll give you the best tip which we have been following always, and even now, today also we followed. We just choose the direction कि ओके आज जो है हम नॉर्थ साइड पे चलते हैं. आई मीन चूज एनी, जहाँ भी आप रहते हैं उसको आप फोकल पॉइंट रखिए, नोडल पॉइंट रखिए एंड डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस में. जैसे एक दिन हम yesterday we went on one particular road and we decide कि चलो इस पे आज around 50 kilometers we'll drive. जो अच्छे स्पॉट्स मिलेंगे ऑर्गेनिकली मिलेंगे, अपने आप मिलेंगे. ये नहीं कि जो कोई गाइड बोलेगा आपसे और ये वो तो they'll take you only to places which are highly commercialized and highly crowded. So we move in one direction and there are a lot of, hidden jewels on the way. lot of hidden gems like this. Next day, go to a different direction. What I mean is that life में थोड़ा सा out of the box सोचना सीखिए. Don't follow the beaten track, you know. कुछ खुद एक्सप्लोर कीजिए. कुछ जो है, use your sixth sense, use your brain. Okay. Finally, I have reached, and I want to show you Rosie. She said she wants to have a nap because just now we had a long walk in the tea gardens. So, where is she? Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Let her. There she is. Great. Chaliye. Once again, from the snow-capped peaks, bye-bye and see you.